Stay hydrated, y'all. Good morning. Looks like we got 8 people in here. Morning, Chuck, Albu, Cade, Khaled, Dave, Martin. Just finishing getting set up here. Make sure everything's good to go. Morning, Nima. Kern telling me to look at the Discord? Why? What am I looking at? Oh, Nimkins is a bot? Yeah. Well, we all know that's not true. If that's what I'm supposed to be looking at. Yeah. That's funny. That is funny. So how are we feeling today, guys? Looks like people are still slowly rolling in. Looks like we got close to that 19,400 level that I was talking about for the last few days. I think that is inevitably going to get tapped. I would like to see a pullback. The daily, we reclaimed this daily 20 SMA, so I'm looking for longs only. I'm not going to be on the short side here. It looks like that 19,006 level is in play as well. I do think hopefully we get a little pullback on the open here, retrace some of this news pump. I haven't looked at financial juice yet today, so I don't know. It must have been good numbers, or at least something that the Fed would like to see. Nice, Nima. You caught the long off 110. That's a good position. Should have held. Should have held all day. So I am still trading the 50K combine. Balance sits at 50,640. I have not traded it since yesterday on the live stream. All right, Captain Hindsight. Nima, I've been talking about it for the last few days. This hold of 19K is key. I mean, yeah, we got a little bit below it yesterday, but which had me thinking downside when we were below there, but it just reclaimed, and really that long that we had. I mean, if I was a swing trader, I'd still be holding that position. I think I was long from 960. Yeah, 50 points is still a good trade, Nima. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I'm still paying a lot at the grocery store and the gas pumps. So I don't know where they're pulling their figures from, but... Or as the Brits like to say, the petrol pumps. Looks like there's only a few of us in here right now. 15 to be exact. Markets are open, guys. I've been replaced by Hector? What do you mean? Guys, Good Gains isn't going anywhere. I am still a member there. I just am not as active. Morning, Phoenix. Welcome. Yeah, Mason. I'm would have to invest in like a stream deck or something like that in order to do the sound effects easily. $55.60, Kev. Yeah, I mean, as long as we're holding above 55.30 in my eyes, there's no reason why that's not on the table. Let me switch over to the hourly chart here on ES real quick and look at it. So I'll just go to the 30-minute. Yeah, 55.60 seems reasonable. Yeah, Nima's profile pic definitely throws people off for whatever reason. Guys, I do have a special treat for you in store tomorrow. I'm going to keep it a secret, but tune in tomorrow. You're not going to want to miss it. Let's see. Let's see where Annan and Albu's levels are today. All right. So Albu's, well, one sell area is long gone. This next sell area is 456, so we'll watch that 450 level if price gets up there. See how price reacts. I'm thinking we could see this extreme today. 19,500 area. And Annan. It's looking like Annan might need to draw some new boxes, huh? All right, so above current price, I think all this is on the table today. So I have a level here at 500 to 520, and my next level up would be 630 to 650, it looks like. Nim, I haven't adjusted it. It's the same lighting that we set up yesterday. Also, how does the camera look? I realized that my aspect ratio on OBS was off, and that's why everything looked stretched out, because we stretched out the frame. So it should be coming in 1080p now instead of 720. Yeah. It should look a lot better. should look a lot better. Looks like people are still coming in. There's 20 of you in here now. Okay, let's zoom in on these charts. Get you guys a little bit bigger candles to look at, even though I'm sure you're looking at your own candles. Or at least hopefully you are looking at your own candles. How are we feeling today, guys? Are we all leaning upside? Are we all looking at longs? What's up, Ollie? Oh, I'm sure Annan is short. Hopefully he's in scalper mode today. I mean, he might catch a short here early. Kevin, you're saying open up last hour down? Mr. Fox, red for 4th day in a row. It's all right, brother. We've all been there. Yeah, I'd like to see it come back. I wouldn't even mind this 220 pullback. Morning, Casper. I don't want this thing just taking off on us. It's going to be hard to buy a top. Especially going into that 400 level. I mean, I really don't have anything above there till 500. Honestly, I'd like the ES to pull back into 55.30, and I might try the long there. Once the ES does pull back into 55.30, if it holds. Yeah, Albu, I'm not shorting the market today. It's not gonna happen. I'll wait for my pullback long. I think shorting is a losing battle. Oh, here. Let's see what the heat map's doing. I think you guys can see it. Yeah, sorry. Didn't have everything all set up today. Is that better, Mason? Looks like VWAP's all the way down here in the 250s as well. So I might just be waiting for the pullback, which means I might not catch a trade this morning. Yeah, there's a block at 400. Let me look at how big it is. It's 96 right now on the sell side at 400. Just went over 100. So people are loading in there. See if we got anything at 420. Got a 50 block at 420. I'd like for it to pull back to at least this big block at 300. I'm glad you're feeling better, Mason. Yeah, yeah, Abu, that was crazy. I mean, what did the VIX get up to? Was it above 50 at one point during the last 2 weeks? I want to say it was. Yeah, Khaled, I'm with you. It's those first few moves are just irrational and jumpy, and if you're on the wrong side of it, it's a day ruiner. Like, it's very easy to, I mean, how big is this one red candle here in the immediate buy up on the 5 minute? Down to 40, down to 46 from 96, so 50 points. And immediately bought back up. Khaled has a 100% success ratio. Khaled's been trading really well lately. He's really settled in and found a strat that works for him. I think sizing down has helped Khaled. I notice he's really concentrated on trading, I want to say micros more than minis. Is that correct, Khaled? Am I correct in assuming that? That's right where you want to be, Khaled, in that 70% to 80% mark. I don't really look at win percentage as a good barometer of how good a trader is, because there's lots of traders who hit 80% that are not profitable. You know, if you're taking 2 to 3 points a trade and hitting a bunch of winners and then have one loser that's 40 points. Yeah, you can do a lot with micros as well. I mean, you saw it yesterday. I traded one mini, was on the wrong side, took a $750 loser, and then had one trade long that was 2 micros and made it nearly all back. Probably should have taken this long on the reclaim hold of 360. Let's Good for 20 points. Yeah, Ollie, it's so hard to wrap your mind around when you're used to seeing how much you make trading minis to make that move, but sometimes you have to. All right, looks like that block at 400 got filled. Thanks for tuning in, guys. There's 25 of you in here right now. Our numbers are consistently and slowly getting bigger. We are attracting more viewers, which is a good thing. Skip Mason paid. Skip MacBot paid. Yeah, Kaladin, I'm sure you're holding your positions longer too, which helps. You know, you're not over trading. It's key. I've definitely found that my best days, I take 1 or 2 trades. It's not when I'm in 10 trades on the day. That's when I know it's bad. Well, guys, we might just be grinding up today. Wanted a deeper pullback. I mean, that barely ran this low of this candle here on this 5-minute, and it's just boosted. Looks like 55.30 held on the ES as well. I don't know. If we hold 400 here, I might take this long. Really wanted a deeper pullback, but this thing is running away. Yeah, Tenor. So the VIX got up to 65. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. In the time I've been trading, I've never seen it. I've never seen it that high. I don't know what it was during COVID. I didn't even know what the VIX was during COVID. Yeah, Dave. I mean, how high do we go? You know? I'm going to change this to green at this point. Looks like we got a big block at 420, big block at 450, big block at 530. Still got some blocks below, but need a pullback. This thing is just running away. Really like something back into 380. Yeah, Khaled News. Yeah, I don't know how much impact that's going to have. Housing market index. I mean, I know tomorrow we got Michigan, University of Michigan sentiment. Kev, your TikTok indicators saying open up, last hour down. Yeah, this thing is just grinding away from me. I should have taken this 360 retest long. Is what I should have taken. Be done for the day. We are chilling right now. I'm not going to be trying to buy a top. This thing is just grinding higher. Watching the ES here at 55.40. Wonder how Annan's doing in this. If he's still trying to short it. Should have held your 19,460 long. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you got a big enough account balance. You can really hold any long. For as long as you so choose. From August 1st, yeah. Yeah, I mean, you'd be almost back to break even on the thing. Yep, just don't trade with stop losses. That's that's the surefire way. Take longs and don't trade with stop losses. You'll never lose. %100% success rate. Yeah, guys, you're definitely going to want to tune in tomorrow. I'm not going to say what it is, but I definitely have a surprise lined up. Uh-oh, guys, guess what? Sounds like Long Company's out there. We might hear the lawnmower again. Nice and loud. Yeah. Throw some stones in their way. Well, oh, this is obnoxious. Yep, Kev, you're up on your 460 long now. You are up on your 460 long. Oh, now you're down. Should have taken profits. Yeah, Albu, like this entire week, they seem to have not been that correlated. It seems like one has been lagging behind the other all week long. Speaking of the ES and NQ, that is. I mean, Kev didn't take profit at 10 points. We all know him. That guy holds. He holds. Until he gets a sell signal. Oh my goodness. What do we do? What do we do? It's going to be really hard to short that 500 level as well. So I don't know. I guess I can zoom in further and look at Delta, but... Really, this was the setup, guys. The pullback, the reclaim, come back down, retest, hold 360, and launch. I just wasn't paying close enough attention. I was still setting up everything when that was going on. Ah, Kev. Follow your rules. We have to short it as a group. I'm not shorting this thing. It is too strong. It is too strong. I mean, on the daily, we're above the 20. We got the daily 50 SMA up there at 19.6. Yeah, that's going to be hard to, it's going to be hard to short that. If we can get a pullback into 400 and hold above 400, I'm not opposed to hitting the long. 400 or 380. Albu, did you send it? Full port short there from 480. Yes, come on back. Come on back, market. I'm seeing a little bit of buying orders stacked in through here. I'm not gonna long 420. But if we hold 400, I will get long. It's a lot of selling though. Ideally, what I'd like to see is it to come down to 380 first. ES just came back into 55.30. What did that get down to? 405. Ay, ay, ay. All right. I don't know if you guys can hear the mower. It's definitely loud. It's loud in this room. All right, let's give this a shot. See if we can get a push up here. I have to kill this thing. Early entry, bad entry. Something like I might kill this for a small loss. I don't like it yet. Don't like where they filled me on that order. Could easily get chopped up there. Yeah, tenor, it's hard not to be tilted, especially when you have that long bias and you just completely miss it. Yeah, that's frustrating. It's the hardest thing to do is wait for that pullback at that point. And sometimes you don't get it, and that's okay. There's going to be days where you just miss the move, you know, and then on to the next. I did take a small loss there. Let's see, how much did I lose? $70. I'm gonna wait for Delta to flip green here again. At this point. Hopefully we can get this pushed down a little bit lower. Ben, I do have a stop loss. I do put it in. I don't have bracket order set upon entry, but I do usually put it in. If Quant Tower goes down, I just get on my Rhythmic app on my phone and close out the trade. Phone's right here. Doesn't take me long. But I also have a mental stop in mind. You know, even if you don't see it on my charts. I don't know if it's going to give us lower. Yeah. Yeah, my phone is right here. It would take me about 10 seconds to get out of the trade, which granted is not ideal. And you would just be hoping that you're not caught on the wrong side of one of those 50-point smacks or pumps. You know? Well, I guess I could have held that long, but I want a deeper pullback before I hop on this. I don't think we're going to get a VWAP pullback. And that's all the way down at 309 for me. Yeah, Nima, good call. If you guys could smash that thumbs up for me, for Mason as well. Community is building slowly but surely. Well, it looks like my long would have played out. That's a hold of 400 down there. ES just held 55.30. Kev, where were you long from on the ES? 55.38. So you're taking a little bit of heat. Yeah, the ideal entry would be 55.30 down there, or 55.28 actually, for me on the ES. Actually, who am I kidding? Ideal entry would be below 5,500. Pre-market. Only problem is you would have had to hold through news. I think we might move this box up at this point. Let's move this up to 400. Yeah, Kev, my ES support is, let's see, what is that zone? 55.28 to 55.30 would be a buy area for me. So yeah, your 55.29 is in line with what I'm seeing. Oh, Mr. Fox, yeah, that's a bad break. That's a bad break. Long 140, stopped out at 118. Yeah, that's a bad break. Watching Delta here. Yeah, Chris, I'm with you. I still want lower, but I just don't know if they're going to give that to us. Delta's holding up. And sellers are trying, but I almost don't mind a 430 entry at this point. If they even give that to us. I don't know if they do. Speaking of, Dave, are you here? How'd you golf yesterday? How was golf? Sub 80 round? Actually, you know what? Micro charts are looking. Yeah, Nimkins, it's going to be kind of hard for me to play poker right now considering I'm live streaming. Gonna be a little difficult. Trying to concentrate on charts. Yes, you guys. Nimkins just sent me an invite to play poker right now. You can sense my fear. Oh, no, yeah, those 3-putts hurt. Those 3-putts never feel good. It can be a round ruiner. You sense the fear, Nimkins? No, just a little busy right now. Not gonna be playing poker while I'm live streaming trading. I tell you that. Should have just held my long. I thought it would pull back deeper than what it did. Yeah, Dave, there's nothing worse than missing those anywhere in that 3 to 5 foot range is tough. My goodness. We are pumping. I think we're going to run new highs. Delta up. If I can get something like this. Go tight risk on it. Go like 10 points. All right, I'm long. Actually, let's just go something like that. Not gonna let this turn into a loser. All right, I'm up about $300 on this trade at this point. I will watch it there at 500 to see if it does reject a little bit if we get there. But honestly, if I can get this account within 1 day to pass, that would be nice. It'd be nice to get this thing done tomorrow. And buyers are holding up. See if we can run this previous high over here. Just need to get that push. Just hoping I don't get a nasty rejection here at 480 and this thing to come all the way back on me. In fact, I don't want it running the low of this candle here. Need them to maintain this low. Keep this green. So at very worst now, I've made back what I made on that small loss earlier. How we doing today, guys? I've seen what Kevin's doing. There we go. We ran the highs on the ES and the NQ. I think ES is going for that 55.50. Kind of wanted to see it continue and hold these highs. I didn't want to see it get rejected back into it. Yeah, this is not what we wanted to see. At all. Nice trade, Dave. Out at 488. Yeah, that 500 level is going to be tough. It's going to be tough to get through. I mean, we're starting to see some sell side pressure coming in. Hopefully buyers can step in here and boost this thing up over 500. Yeah, Dave, nothing wrong with locking in profits. I usually front run levels as well. I mean, I'll watch that 500 if we get there. If not, at the very worst, this is a $200 winner. Just shy of $180 or something. Nah, just shy of $200. I'll let it play out though. Currently up $540 on the position. I do think we eventually run that 500. It's looking like the ES really wants 55.50, and Kevin's target of 55.60 is definitely on the table at this point. I mean, we just have to keep in mind we are up. Let's see, how much are we up on NQ right now? On the day. Yeah, we're up almost 2%. Starting to see some selling come in here. Hoping the buyers can push this up over 500 before we get a pullback. Yeah, I might have to kill this thing. It's just sellers are trying to defend that 500 level. I don't want to give back everything. Yeah, Dave, I like that 600 target. Like we said, the daily 50 SMA is sitting there just below 600 right now. So I like that target. I do think that's where we're trying to get to. Just trying to be patient here, guys, and let this thing play out. Fully expected some chop here below, right below 500. Sure would have liked it to run 500 there a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, Alex, I thought it would run a little more. Nimkins, I'm not coming to play poker right now. It's not happening. I'm a little preoccupied. Yeah, actually, I don't want this coming all the way back on me. I'm gonna see if we can get one more push here. Make sure Delta doesn't drop. If Delta starts flipping, I'm out. Nice trade, Khaled. Kev, we should get a surge over 500. It should at least run a little more liquidity above. I mean, you can see there's still orders up here, and I would think this at least gets tapped here at 15. 515 before we see any real sell side. So you should be fine. All right, guys, I'm gonna kill it there. Missed the button. And that's probably going to be my day, because now with that trade, I'm within 1 day of passing this thing. So I made 865 today. Feels good. Took very little heat on that trade as well. Very little on that entry. So that one, we're starting to settle in a little bit here on this live stream trading thing. Performed a lot better this week than I have in the past. So hopefully we can catch a trade tomorrow, catch those 77 points roughly, and be done with this and be onto an XFA. That would be nice. Extremely nice. I will be hanging out in Discord the rest of the day. Nimkins, I don't know if I'll be playing poker or not. But yeah, Chuck, things are starting to settle in. We finally have all the back end stuff set up with OBS, or at least the bare minimum with OBS. Thanks, DJ. Thanks, Ollie. And to those of you that were on that long, congrats. Well done. That looks like it was a pretty good exit as well. Kev, did you get out? Oh, yep, Kev got out too. Nice. Well, guys, I think I'm going to wrap the live stream up there. I will be back tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Eastern, for a very special episode. Make sure you tune in. And I will catch you all, guys, tomorrow morning. Peace.